get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up. Yeah. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all know what time it is. And also, look what we have here. We got the mirrors, we got the tail light, and also in the last video I show you guys that I'm taking all the wires off because I'm gonna take the engine out. Got the flex fuel kit over here, already capped off everything already. So after I take the engine out, I'm gonna change the windshield, then I'm gonna bring it to the body shop so I could fix all this shit. And I swapped out this door already, as I'll show you guys. Got my headlight right there, the one that I modified. So if y'all didn't see the video for that, go and check it out. Got all my other parts laying down around there. Got a headlight right there, and I got my turbos in there. But for right now, I'm doing I'm gonna put in the mirror for this side, for the passenger side. And also, look what I got. Also got the airbag for the steering wheel. So yeah guys, let's go. So I'm gonna pull this trim off real quick and install the mirror, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go. Okay guys, so for this part I'm not gonna just fully remove it. I just pull like right here so I could get to right here, so I could put the mirror in. So I got some black ones, but soon I'm gonna wrap the car, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what color I'm gonna wrap the car in yet, so that's gonna be a surprise. But yeah guys, so far so good, everything is coming along. As I said, the windshield is gonna change last, so that's why I didn't put up this part. But yeah guys, and I already detached the steering wheel column from under the car, so that's why it's spinning like this. So yeah guys, and also I got the airbag, as I said, to put in. So this is gonna be a separate video for the airbag. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on with this one. So y'all would have to like put the mirror in, so it would go like this. And we're gonna use back the old screws from the old door, put in back the mirror, you can see right there. And make sure y'all connect it to this right here. You should hear it snap like that. And also you got speakers right here, so make sure everything is connected. Make sure this wire is connected back right here for the speaker. And we're gonna put it back now. Everything just snaps in. And also make sure you guys don't lose the clips. So I'm gonna put back everything in because I'm not using my GoPro right now, I'm just using one hand. So I'm gonna set up back everything and put on back the door card. And yeah guys, I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so there's two screws that goes into the door to hold the door card. We got a 10mm right here, and we got a Phillips head screwdriver screw right here. See the start, or you could call it star point. So this one goes right here, and the other one goes right there. So I'm gonna do all of that and then show you guys. Okay so guys, so the passenger side is done, everything is screwed in already, and I put back the cover. So yeah, so time to go on the next side. So that's how it's looking. And I also got some carbon fiber mirror caps for it. I also got some carbon fiber. So yeah guys, So time to move on to the driver's side. Okay guys, so now we're gonna start on the driver's side, but first we're gonna have to pull the door cards again and then repeat the same process. And yeah guys, so I'm not gonna record this part. I'm gonna just show you guys when I'm finished, because it's the same procedure as the passenger side. So yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and you guys could comment down in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. But this is just the rebuild series of the FBO Q50. So yeah guys, bear with me, everything is coming along well. So yeah guys, and also I'm thinking about customizing this, the A pillar, because it's dirty right now. So I'm gonna do some things to it, and I'm gonna put this in black, and I'm gonna wrap this. So guys, stay tuned for that. So for those of you who doesn't know how to wrap like the A pillar and shit, stay tuned for the next video, man. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so everything is done right now. Got my tools right here that I use, and as you can see, the mirror is on, and the mirror is on right there. So yeah guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the video for the steering wheel. I'm gonna install the airbag in the next video, so stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, so there you go, mirrors on, everything looking good. Let me show you the other side. I got some parts right here because I'm gonna drop the engine. And yeah guys, so mirrors on.